Local news for Friday the 28th of June. With people sleeping rough on the streets of Masterton, a working group of local citizens has had a meeting to see what can be done. The group, coordinated by Lynn Tankersley, is meant to discuss the issues of how these rough sleepers and people who are sleeping in cars in Masterton can be better supported. The idea was floated for Masterton to have its own night shelter. The group would also like to be able to offer toilet and showering facilities. UCOL students have constructed planter boxes and filled them with herb and vegetable seedlings as part of their Matariki celebrations. UCOL Wairarapa campus manager Margot Ferrick said the staff were involved in celebrating Matariki in different ways, and it was a topic of conversation over lunch with all staff on campus. The Commerce Commission has granted clearance for Mainland Print Limited to acquire the heat and cold set web offset printing assets of Inkwise Limited. Mainland, a recently established joint venture company owned in equal shares by Blue Star Group Limited and Allied Press. Blue Star provides a range of commercial printing services throughout its division called Webster, which has printing operations in Masterton. And finally in sports, with 3 rounds of Premier Rugby to go, top of the table Martinborough will host Carterton, Greytown will play Marist and Gladstone host Ekatahuna. And in the reserve grade, it's the final round before the grade splits into top, middle and bottom.